Mi hermana a las 3 a.m.
What? Everything. Dangerous driving. Aggressive driving.
Yeah.
It's a couple of rat pencil cases I've made. They're made out of real rats and they've both got pencil sharpeners up their arsehole.
We're going to give you a little bit of
Yeah!
before we
Fuck
move on
yeah!
to the answers.
Yeah!
You open it up and you slide this back and then you can drink out of it. But in case you don't want the rest of it, what you would do is you'd slide it back, push it back down, and you can see.
Let's cook a delicious British breakfast. I'm gonna start with some fucking beans.
You know, we like to get the lads down the oval, have a bit of fun. You know, it's not really a competition, you know. It's all about having
Spicy. Hey, Spicy.
Minha flecha tá apontada, tá só shotinha safada. Minha flecha tá apontada.
That was sports.
One whole egg, milk. Hold the jug with one hand, whisking that egg first, and then you're milking. Don't put all the milk in, because then you're going to get a lumpy pancake mix.
Amelia Earhart was lost in the Bermuda Triangle, and according to everyone who ever talks about Amelia Earhart, was eaten by coconut crabs. The internet has sort of attached a fictional narrative of malice to one of nature's dumbest creatures. The crabs did not conspire to they didn't shoot her plane down. The internet talks about that event as if the plane hit the water and then 1,000 coconut crabs swarmed the cockpit. People also love to bring up the fact that they can climb trees as if that's terrifying. They climb palm trees to eat the fruit. They are not seeking higher ground from which to leap onto targets of assassination.
is taping. We have witnesses.
Yo, he just face. Yo, come on, bro. Oh my god. Yo, what the fuck are you on, bro?
Leave it touching the game, man!
Oh, wow. Cotton Eye Joe just came on mid-rally.
Valendo.